Wella Fusion Plex Intense Repair Mask. 500 milliliters, 16.9 ounces. Wella. The package dimension of the product is 4.2 L by 4.1 W by 3.4 H. Wella Fusion Plex Intense Repair Mask, 16.9 ounce. Discover the new Fusion Plex Care Collection. Designed to repair and protect the hair against breakage and damage. Our formula is fortified with the silksteel fusion program, inspired by spider silk, one of the strongest fibers. It penetrates deep down the cortex and instantly recovers hair fiber and helps to prevent future hair breakage. Even the most damaged hair feels renewed, smooth, elastic and resilient against breakage. If your hair is in need of nurture, this luxurious creamy mask for damaged hair helps repair and protect against breakage. Apply this mask for 5 minutes. The mask contains intensely conditioning ingredients and amino acids. Top reviews from the United States. Moisture hydration for dry hair. Love this hair mask. Was recommended by my hairstylist. Quick tip if hair is extremely dry. Brush hair out and gently towel dry hair, leaving some wetness so the mask can slip through. Cover with a hair cap. After washing body, rinse out with very warm water and then a cool or cold shot of water. Done.